Hello everyone. Today I'll show you real money, real account that I've made at doing what I'm about to show you. And this method has been proven to work all the time I've tried it. And this time I'm going to show you two accounts that I use two accounts. So that's the trick, two accounts. And I'm going to show you like how I actually got this $30 in one day. I would have made more, but I made it in one day. So I'll show you everything. I'll show you the proof of money through PayPal, email, and also what should I show you again? I should show you what I also missed, the work I missed. As I told you in this website, I remember I'll show you in the videos where I try to emphasize. Yeah, I want to start giving you people something that you're going to really believe in, like something that I've tried. That's what I give you, and this is real. That's why you see me all the time trying to tell you this is a website. This is a website for you. Try this. First, take some water. I didn't forget the water. The name of the website, you know it, and I want to convince you to make money. Please, let's start making money. Don't come and watch this video for entertainment, then you fail to go and try this out, to go and work. Okay, you're not trying. This method works. I know it, and I'm going to show you that it works. $30 in one day, and that is in Uganda. That is almost 200,000. Yeah. So let's kick in. I'm going to go to my computer where I'll be walking you, like showing you the proof and the account that I really received this money. Real green. I'll refresh the page for you. Let's start. So the website here is called Userlytics. It's Userlytics. What they do is they send you work through an email. Yeah, you just get an email pop up like you've got a test of $10. Yeah, per test $10, and they'll tell you answer a few questions, one or two, then you'll be redirected to a site where you're going to just scroll. Yeah, so you got me right. You're going to scroll as you're speaking like this. Like, I love this website. I call that Userlytics. It's Userlytics. What they do is they send you work through an email. Yeah, you just get an email pop up like you've got a test of $10. Yeah, per test $10, and they'll tell you answer a few questions, one or two, then you'll be redirected to a site where you're going to just scroll. Yeah, so you got me right. You're going to scroll as you're speaking like this. Like, I love this website. I love the green color. I love the blue color. And these people are going to love everything that you're telling them. They are going to love everything. And it doesn't matter if you criticize or love it. They don't care. And that's the best thing about this website. There's no wrong or correct answer. So let's kick in. Let me just show you. If you see this website, this is a user experience testing. Yeah. So there are two people who come to this website. One person is a client who wants his website to be tested by someone like you, who wants someone to go through his website. You don't need to know how to design websites. Yeah, so for me, I know how to design websites, I know, but you don't need to know how to design. Actually, the more amateur you are, the better. Yeah? The more amateur you are, the more sincere you're going to be to these people. So what you do, you just go here, you sign up so freely for us. You see here on top, they're going to tell you client login or tester login. So for me, what I went for a tester login. So I signed up using this one. It's easy. Let me just take you through a little thing how the sign up page looks like. It is so simple. I've never seen anything so simple like this. So weird. My data is actually my data is getting finished. Let me see if I have. Oh, it has popped in. So with this website, you see here they say get paid to test a website or application. They test also applications and websites. So it's not just websites. It's also applications. Yes. Actually, let me tell you, I've ever tested a website for Samsung, a very big company. You all know Samsung. I use Samsung even to record you people. You see, that is Samsung. So I did a review for their website, and they gave me $10. It's small, but it's very big for me. So this is how the website looks like. So you only put your email here, then you just go. I'll show you how the website looks on the inside. So let me go and sign into my dashboard, and I show you how it looks like. So I'm going to sign into one account, and you see. So I'm going to press tester login. I'm going to put my email here. Going to select my email. Come on. And select my email. So then I log in. Just a minute, just a second. So as I was telling you, this website is so simple. This is how their login looks like, their dashboard inside. And you see here they're saying my dashboard. So you see here test invitations. Currently there are no active tests, so I don't have a test right now because I've not received an email to work. So what I do, I go to complete it. I want to show you that it's real. It's real. You see I'm reloading this field. The internet is slow. I'm even reloading for you. I'm reloading for you. So I press completed test. This is where you see miracles. So you see approved and rejected. Yeah, there are so many rejected here. Why? Because of my carelessness. I'll just tell you just in a second. So here you see I got this one. Then I got 10 also here. I got it on 7th 2021. These are the rejected ones. I got 10, 20. You see, $20. I wonder if I was very serious, I would have got all this money. I got so busy with work. So it's hard for you to do this when you have another side income, like competing. They compete a lot. So yeah, but I managed to grab these ones very fast. And let me show you missed invitations. I missed the 10, 20. Can you imagine? 10, 20. I missed. So I'm going to show you approve of payment here. Proof of payment. Where do you see the payment? You go up here where they say account payment details, and when I press that, you're going to see that there is a pending payments, total payments to date. So this is the paid is $20. I'll show you an email also. Maybe you might think that I'm lying here. So this is the way it looks like, and that's what I can actually tell you. And the other option I want to show you again, another one I got. This is just number one. Number two is here. So let me log into another one. Then you see log into tester. Then I'm going to select my account, password. I'm going to choose this one. Login. It's, by the way, this is how this thing works. Like, it's legit, it works very well. See this one, they say rejected 0 payment. They paid me $10. Yeah, I missed a lot of this one. There was 50. I missed 50. German free tree website, I missed it. Then 10. If you go to account payment details, you're going to see that I got paid $10. A total payment I've received here is 10. So this people have actually introduced some tricky thing whereby they want to help the children, and every test you do, they're going to deduct a 5% of that test. Let's say if you get paid $10, they're going to deduct 5% of $10. That's almost like $0.5, which is not bad. It's good for you to do charity outside there. So yeah, so let me just put my email, and then I'm here. I'm going to search PayPal Userlytics payment from Userlytics, your composition. So you see here that Userlytics Corporation has sent you $10. Yeah, and you see here amount received $10, and this goes direct to my PayPal account, which I can later send to my bank account here in Uganda. and outside there in America, you send it direct to your bank also. So that is it. I'm going to show you. There's so many videos of mine. Let me just go here and I show you. When you go to my channel, you're going to see that I have videos that are going to help you with this kind of method. I talked a brief about them, how you can do this. So let me just go to my videos here. This is my channel. It's called Mr. Money Junior. So when you're in here, I do a lot of things about making money online, proven ways I have seen work. So there's this one here where I list transcription companies. This one here, I just list transcription companies. Then this one here, my boss is calling, so I have to. Yeah, so this is just, so there's PayPal here. PayPal is actually here. You can create a PayPal account there. Let me just start it before even him just put him off. Then here PayPal, there is the also there is, oh, I don't know even my own videos. Oh, I have to go. Sorry. Bye. So that is it. That is it for me. Bye. Quack is calling.